Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today's lesson is how to create or edit the timing broadcast task in XC9000 platform. First, let's take a look how to upload audio files to the platform. After login to the XC9000 webpage, click Media. Click Upload File. Select the music we want to upload. When the state is green, means the file is successfully uploaded. Close the menu manually. Before we start to creating timing task, we need to make a configuration first. In the basic settings, select User. Click Role Management. Click Edit. Change Schedule Task to Pro and save. We recommend doing this with all the roles. Lots of options will be missing in the scheduled task if not. You'll need to log in again for this to take effect. Now let's create a timing task in the Schedule Task menu. For example, there's a school that has different broadcasting starting time between summer and spring. That means we should create two schemes, one for the summer and one for the spring. Click Add Folder. Input the scheme name, then click Save. We can also switch scheme on or off. Select the scheme by clicking it. Clicking Add to start adding timing task. Input the task name first. And config task triggering time by clicking Add Trigger. You can set the trigger period to daily or specific any day of the week. If you want this task to be ended at certain time of the day, you can enable the start and end time. And down here is the task's execution time. So in summary, this task will be activated at March 1st, 2025, and triggered at 7 a.m. of every Monday to Friday until June 1st, which is the end date of this task. Pause the video if you need some time to process. Click Save when done. After triggered time is set, we'll now add operation by clicking Add Operation. This means what will happen at 7 a.m. every Monday to Friday. First, select the designated terminal to broadcast. Here we can set a duration for this task. By default, it will play once then stop the task. If you set it to unlimited, it will keep playing on repeat until the next task triggered. With user defined, you can configure how long you want this task to play exactly on the second. Right here, I changed the duration to 10 minutes. If the media's length is lower than the duration length, it will play on repeat. Lastly, click the plus icon to add the sound file from the media. If multiple files are selected, the playing order will be determined by the sequence number. Click Save when done. All the configuration has been completed. Click Save to continue. We can also delete or edit the task. Like what I'm showing right now. You can change task name, trigger time, broadcast audio and area, etc. Now let's create a wake-up task in the spring scheme. Let's say we want this task to start at January 1st, 2025. Execute at 8 a.m. every Monday to Friday for 10 minutes until April 1st, 2025. We can also specify the duration by enable task stop time. This right here indicates the current time of the XC9000 platform, which is the local time of the PC. or server that installed the software. So 10 minutes means 8 hours 10 minutes and 0 seconds AM. And now we have waking up task at both summer and spring scheme. Both of them will be activated at the date and time we set, which is March 1st, 2025, 7 AM and January 1st, 8 AM 2025. Now I'll show you a different way to setting a time range for the task. Let's change the spring scheme, for example. Click the edit icon. As you can see, we can also set a fixed date for the scheme as well. For example, right here I'll set the date from January 1st to April 1st, which is the start and end date for the waking up task we just created. So now, we don't have to set start and end time in the task one by one. In this video, we've learned how to upload audio files in XC9000 and how to create or edit timing tasks in different scheme plan. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.sponcome.com. Thank you for watching.